You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 8. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 7 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 8.